Hi guys, that round of applause is for you. All of you, 40,000 of you, 40,000 of you who subscribe to me. A round of applause for sticking around, for wanting to come back for some more content. I just want to say, from the bottom of my heart, a massive thank you for subscribing. And for 40,000 subscribers, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to bake a rainbow chip party cake mix, because it is always a party here. And if I get to 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to throw myself a party, like an actual party. So subscribe, because then I can have another party, and that would be great. Quite like a party. I love a party. In America they have this thing called funfetti, and one time my friend brought me back some funfetti sprinkles. We don't have funfetti here, and I didn't realise that you put it in a cake, and I put it on top of a cake and I wasted it and just like had it like normal sprinkles. But the thing is, you can't use normal sprinkles in a cake mix because the colour just dissolves and it just makes it look really weird. But Betty Crocker had brought out this rainbow chip party cake mix, and I saw it and I was like, what better way to celebrate 40,000 subscribers than a party cake? So I'm quite excited about it, to be honest. Who doesn't want to celebrate a big milestone with cake? Wait, what? Where are the sprinkles? There's sprinkles on the top in this picture, and on the back it just says all you need is vegetable oil, water, eggs, 1 tub of vanilla icing, and cake tins. And I thought it came with sprinkles. Wait, what? I'm so sad. Good job I've got sprinkles, but at the same time, I'm kind of disappointed. This was £2.50. £2.50. I can make about 10 cakes fresh for £2.50, so a bit disappointed there. But, you know, let's not knock it until we've tried it. So, steps are very complex. It says mix the eggs, oil, water, and cake mix gently together and whisk 2 to 3 minutes. So, here we have the mix. It looks luscious. I can see the sprinkles, so that's always fun. Oh my gosh, it smells so cakey. The cake mix is in. I'm so excited for this. Here we have our oil and water. Obviously oil and water separates, which I always think looks quite pleasing to the eye, and I don't know why I think that. So that's going straight in there. We've also got our eggies. This mixture is dairy free, so if you are dairy free or if you are a vegan, you can just change the eggs. So we love that. Thank you, Betty Crocker. And the icing, also vegan. Right, Betty Crocker just slaying the game out here. Here we go, let's whisk her up. Kind of looks like vomit, especially if it's got multicolored bits in it, but it's fine. You know what I'm gonna do? We're gonna pull up our sleeves because we really want to get into it here. 2 to 3 minutes of this, are they kidding me? At uni, when we have to whisk the eggs by hand to make our meringue, my muscles throb. They really throb. Okay, so if you've been here for a while, you'll know back in the summer when I did some baking videos, I incorporated a fun fact, and to be honest, I think I am exhausted of fun facts. I don't think I have any fun facts. Actually, a fun fact about me, when I was younger, me and one of my best friends, Helena, we used to message each other on Facebook every Sunday morning a fun fact, like a list of fun facts. So that's a fun fact about me, but let's get an actual fun fact. Did you know, in Switzerland, it is illegal to own just 1 guinea pig? So there we go. I think she's nice and mixed up. Oh yeah. Do you know what? I think it's time to crack out the spatula. This is my favourite spatula, and I got it for my 18th birthday from my friends, and I'm really sad because it broke. Obviously don't do this one anymore because it's an old British Bake Off one, but I just can't part with it because it's the best spatula that I've ever used in my whole entire life. She's stunning. She's actually stunning. Yay! It's time to put them in the oven. Ow! Flipping heck! One thing I do have to say that is great about premix is there is much less cleaning up. Like, all that it dirtied is this. You know? This is the best song. Oh. Ow! That really hurt. Hey guys, do you know what it's time for? We're gonna look for some sprinkles. We're gonna get the sprinkles. Here's the sprinkles. If there's any that tantalise our taste buds. What are we thinking? Do you know what would have been so cute if I did the confetti cake in these little mini cupcake cases? Okay, what have we got? Some gold crunch. We've got some gold crunch, which is fun. Hello? Knock knock. No, you know what hundreds and thousands look like. Some sugar stars, which I think are definitely out of their sale by date. I think we're gonna pick the hundreds and thousands. Guys, they just came out and they're absolutely stunning. Look at that. Look at the colours. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, I'm gonna put them on the cooling rack and then we're gonna decorate them when I'm when they're cooled down. I've got the cakes and they're cool, just like me. I'm really cool. I'm absolutely not. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pop these suckers together. Oh, I've got this here. And we're just gonna, I'm really excited. And also I just wanna say, let's have a moment where we get deep. Thank you, honestly, for 40,000 subscribers. I know for some people on YouTube, they literally post one video and then they have like 1 million subscribers. But I have been plugging away at this YouTube channel for some time. I put in a lot of hours of work. So you are very much appreciated. And I really do, like, I am so grateful for every single subscriber. Even if you've watched the video and you haven't subscribed, even if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, still grateful. Even if, don't even know what to say at this point. Oh, she looks good. She is thick. Really thick, actually. Why are there so many things in America that we don't have in England? You guys all know that the one thing I really, really, really want to come from America to the UK is Chick-fil-A. I need those waffle fries in my life. Subscribe and then maybe we can get a franchise of it over here. How incredible would that be? I'm just going to use hundreds and thousands, keep it real simple. Just sprinkle those suckers. Oh lovely, oh I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my gosh, it's like a proper like sprinkly cake. Do you know what I mean? There's sprinkles in it and there's sprinkles on it. Oh, I'm really proud of it, even though I didn't even bake it. It just looks so happy. I feel like just looking at it, you can't be not happy looking at it. It just looks like a happy cake. If this cake was a person, it would be happy. We do need to do, we need to eat it. I also need to show you a bit better. Here we go, here's the funfetti cake. Look at it, I'm actually really happy with it. Do I put the candles on first? Of course I put the flipping candles on first. What kind of a lunatic wouldn't put the candles on first? Who wouldn't do that? Oh no! These are happy birthday candles. I thought they were just normal candles. You know what, it's a birthday for our channel. We've hit a milestone and it can just be a happy birthday. I'm just gonna put the letters in. They're not even gonna say happy birthday because what we don't know doesn't harm us, you know? Yeah! Right, I'm gonna get some matches and then we're gonna light this thing on fire. Hi, I've got the matches and we're just gonna light her up. I genuinely feel quite overcome with emotion because I'm like 40,000 people, that's quite a lot. Now I know some people have millions and millions, but as I always say, comparison is the thief of all joy. So I'm not gonna compare myself because this is where I am right now. And I am happy and chuffed and I am really thankful. So we're just gonna, also extra long matches are the most handy thing ever. Right, let's turn the light off. So this cake is for you all. This is a big, big thank you cake. Are you ready everyone? What do I wish for something? Yay! Incredible. Guys, have you bought the fancy cake fork out? Very light and floofy. I mean, I can't say I'm impressed because this is exactly what happens when hundreds and thousands are put in cake. Exactly what I explained at the start. Wait, can you see that? They're not actually like hundreds and thousands. It's a bit disappointing, but whatever. I wish I could send all of you who actually watch my channel a piece of cake, but I can't, so I'm gonna eat it on behalf of you. That was actually really good. Tastes like proper fake cake, but it's still really good. Now I'm gonna have another slice. Thank you so much for watching. Stick around for more videos, and if you have any video requests, leave them down below, because that's always appreciated. I appreciate you, you're all legends, and I love you so much.